But the problem is, that's an airplane. If there was no airplane, you don't know if it's AI or not. It could be. Hey guys, Andrew from Deity Microphones here to bring you a brand new product from Deity, and that is the SPD Mini, our compact modular power distro system. One of the best things about the SPD Mini is this full color LCD display that has a fuel meter on it. It also does the calculations for you on this screen so you know exactly how many hours your bag has left. And unlike dumb distros that just give you a red LED, we give you an input LED to know whether or not you're pulling from the USB-C input or the TA4. The SPD Mini has two inputs. So if you want to run it off battery, you can do that. And it will range from anywhere between 12 to 18 volts. And it'll pass that battery right through to the #1 output. So your 8 series sound devices recorder can also read that same battery telemetry data. The USB-C input is capable of handling 12 volt PD, but also 15 volt PD, making it more versatile than ever before. So if you own something like the 140 watt GAN charger from Deity Microphones, you can now run your sound bag off the wall. Not only does the SPD Mini have that #1 output that passes along that metadata, it has 4 Hirose compatible outputs on the side at a 45-degree angle. Why is that important? Well, if you've got straight cables, you know that it kind of makes the device wide. So instead of putting them at 90 degrees, you put them at 45 to keep it extra slim. So as you slide this into your bag, you're not creating bulk to the left and right of the device. And one of the most beautiful things about this, along with our SRD Mini, they're incredibly thin and can slide in the parts of your bag you didn't know were even usable. Now you notice I'm talking about the SRD Mini as well, and we've got it here. That's because it has a 6th bonus output. These little pogo pins can dock to other devices that offer Deity regional power. These magnets will align everything and make those pogo pins stick. So there we go, they've lined it all up, and now they're docked with a cable-free power sharing option. These are just the first 2 devices in the Deity regional power docking system, but more devices are gonna be coming in the future. One of the nice creature comforts about the SPD Mini is the fact that the belt clip is reversible, and you can also take it off completely. And if you find yourself mounting it upside down, you can flip the screen with this little switch on the side. The other creature comfort about the SPD Mini over the SPD-1 is the fact that we've updated it to feature USB-C on the front. And it offers 10 watts of power, allowing you to run an iPad or a phone that you may have rigged up to your bag, and now sharing that power with the rest of your system. At the end of the day, the SPD Mini is an ultra compact modular system, but it carries enough amperage to even run an 888. If you still have any questions about what the SPD Mini can do for you, drop them down in that comment section below. I'm Andrew from Deity Microphones. Thank you for watching.